Hello, good morning. Welcome to my blog. This is my room here in Asakusa. Ito, sa lahat ng pinupuntahan kong room, chine-check ko ang fire exit sa mga unfamiliar places like hotel, ganyan. I have to know the fire exit. It's a must. Ganun ako palagi. That's the door. May katabing mirror. It's not that big pero maganda. Okay na. Pwede ang dalawa dito pero mag-isa ko lang. That's the mirror. And then, yan, saksakan ang bungad. And then, this is the lagayan ng air, remote control. And then switch. Diba? And then, hindi yung card na nilalagay. Sabitan. And then, that's my umbrella. Yung first day ko dito, arrival ko sa Narita Airport, umuulan. So, napabili ako ng ganyan sa convenience store. Ngayon, sayang naman. One day ko lang ginamit. Gusto kong iuwi sa Pilipinas. Pero tignan natin. That's my bag. Hand carry yan na size. And then, ganyan ang TV nila. Well organized. Hindi siya ganon kalaki. Pero well organized talaga dito sa Japan. So, yan. That's my window. Nakikita dyan ang Tokyo Skytree. Pero madaling araw, patay na yung ilaw. So, hindi mo ma-appreciate. And then, that's my bed. Yan. Bag ko yan. Pag nagta-travel. And then, meron na. That's the aircon. And then, that's the bed. Meron siyang saksakan. Pero yung circle sa doon, side, hindi ko alam. That's my power bank. Extra lang. And then, ito yung light nila. Here, yan, adjust, and then off. Okay? Ang cute. And then, merong extra light. And then, the phone. Maganda siya. Newly built ito. Tinignan ko sa Agoda before ko binook. And, it's very nice. Kasi ang gagawin ko naman dito, matutulog lang and palakad-lakad. That's the table. Meron siyang ref. Mini ref. And then the trash. Meron siyang kettle. That's the table. Maganda talaga. May drawer siya. Yun. Ang laman, blower. So nice, diba? And then, this is the fridge. That's my baon from Lawson. Binaon ko yun. Naglakad-lakad. Pero hindi ko nakain. So, yan. Parang wala akong nakikitang kumakain. And baon ko yan. From the Philippines. Hindi pa nakain. This is my day 3. And then, binili ko yan sa Aeon Mall. And baon ko yan. Lotion. Ganda ang tissue wrap. Napapansin ko ito ang comb, hairbrush, toothbrush, and then shaver. Remote control ng TV. And this is my regular Suica. Binili ko sa airport upon arrival kasi naubos yung pang tourist. So this is valid for 28 days. May deposit na 500 yen. Refundable, pero may deduction na 220 yen service charge. Yan. Kaya hindi ako bayad ng bayad. Tap na lang ng tap sa mga subway and trains. Yan. It's a must. And then, ang maganda dito, may saksakan. Diba? Very organized siya. It's organized talaga. And, that's my room. 501. That's the name of the hotel. Anyway. Ito. Guidebook. Yun. Hindi ko maintindihan. Others English translation. The late checkout after 11 a.m. for the late checkout will be 1,000 yen for additional. Okay. Not checking out by full extra night charge. Okay. Bawal mag-smoke, which is good. Anyway, damaging the room. Okay, cleaning service, room key. You can keep your room key when you're going out till the checkout time. Yan, hindi siya masyadong high-tech, but it's okay. Okay lang yan. And then, diba? It's organized. Just sharing my bathroom. Diba? This is common sa Japan, even in Korea. Ganyan ang mga toilet nila. Huhugasan ka. And then just press. Tapos, yung lid, since mainit, may warmer yan. Mainit to. Hindi siya malamig. Diba? This is good here. Yan. And then, lavatory. And then, tissue na extra. And then, yan yung lagayan ng tissue wrap and cutie na lavatory. And yan yung mga kailangan pag maliligo. And then, it's yan. Maganda. Shower. Hot and cold. Just sharing. Kasi cute ang pagkagawa. Yan. And then that's the decoration. Okay. Cute na. Okay. Thank you for watching. Ang cute ng ano. Organize. Diba? Cozy siya. Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.